In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the BOTIM ringtone. First, open the BOTIM application on your device. You will see the home screen which displays your recent conversations and contacts. This is the starting point for all your BOTIM activities. If you do not have the app installed yet, please download it from your app store. Opening BOTIM is crucial because it initiates the process of personalizing your ringtone, making it easier for you to identify incoming calls. Once you have the app open, you will be ready to proceed to the next step. Now tap on either the Me icon or the Profile option at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings where you can manage your account preferences. It is important to locate this section because here is where you can customize various aspects of your BOTIM experience, including notifications and ringtones. You will notice a range of options related to your account. This is a straightforward step and it sets the stage for the next part of the process. Next, tap on Settings. You will be directed to a new menu with several options related to your account settings. This step is essential because the Settings menu contains all the controls you need to adjust your app preferences. Look for the Settings option carefully, as it is the gateway to fine-tuning your notifications, including ringtones. Once you are in the Settings menu, you will find several categories to choose from. From there, tap on Notifications. This will open a new screen where you can manage all notification settings related to your BOTIM app. Adjusting notification settings is vital because it allows you to control how you receive alerts, including calls and messages. You will see various options for notification sounds, vibration settings, and more. This step ensures that you can tailor your notification experience to your liking. After that, tap on Ringtone. Here you will find a list of available ringtones that you can choose from for your incoming calls. This is a crucial step because selecting the right ringtone will help you easily recognize when someone is trying to reach you. You will see a variety of tones to choose from, allowing you to pick one that suits your style. Take your time exploring the options. This is your chance to personalize your experience. Now select the ringtone you want. As you browse through the list, you can listen to previews of each ringtone. This allows you to find the perfect sound that resonates with you. Choosing the right ringtone matters because it adds a personal touch to your communications. Once you have made your selection, you are almost done. Finally, tap OK, Save, or Done if prompted. This action is important because it confirms your selection and applies the changes you have made. After tapping, you should see a confirmation message or indication that your new ringtone has been saved. This ensures that your changes are effective and that you will hear your new ringtone for future calls. Now you know how to change the BOTIM ringtone. By following these simple steps, you have personalized your app settings, making your communication experience more enjoyable. Enjoy your new ringtone.